The Pitaka MagSafe case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a masterclass in minimalist design that doesn't compromise on protection. The standout feature is its aerospace-grade 600D Aramid fiber construction, the same material used in bulletproof vests. While that might sound like overkill, it results in an incredibly durable case that adds practically no bulk to Samsung's already substantial flagship. At just 0.04 inches thick and weighing a mere 0.75 ounces, this case delivers on its promise of a caseless feel. The 3D grip technology strikes an excellent balance. It's smooth to the touch but provides enough grip to keep your S25 Ultra secure. I particularly appreciate the half-pack cutting design along the curved edges, which preserves the phone's premium feel while still offering protection where it counts. The case's attention to detail is impressive. The raised rings around the camera lenses offer additional protection without interfering with photo quality, and the precise button cutouts maintain excellent tactile feedback. It's also fully compatible with wireless charging and PowerShare features. One minor caveat: while the case includes MagSafe compatible magnets, using magnetic accessories like card sleeves can interfere with the S Pen's functionality. You'll need to remove these attachments for optimal S Pen performance. The card sleeve can also partially block the camera, depending on placement. Despite these small compromises, the Pitaka MagSafe case is a compelling option for S25 Ultra owners who want maximum protection in an ultra-slim package. Yes, it's on the pricier side, but the premium materials and exceptional build quality justify the investment for those seeking a truly premium case experience.